What? Welcome to... So I just got an update. They ordered all new rotors, all new pads for the rear. Front's fine. But apparently the delivery, one of the rotors was incorrect. So she has another one coming out right now. So obviously it's gonna be a little bit. We are walking to that Taco John's. Look at this souvenir I found. Little seagull feather, pretty cool. So yeah, walking over there right now and talked to dispatch. We were gonna try to see if we can't get the load dropped today, but I finally said forget it. We're not gonna do the time pressure and all that. Tell them we'll be there tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, and he's getting ready to set something up. Ooh, there's one of those Ram TRXs. Look at that, 100 grand. Good Lord. 96. That's another 1,500. A bad Lambda. 115. What is this? It's an F-150 Shelby. Man, they got some nice trucks over here in Minnesota. Wow. Anyhow, distracted. Yeah, look, squirrel. Look at that. There's a Cummins 55 Longhorn Limited. That's sexy. I like that. I don't like the color. F-150 Platinum 41 for a 15. Whew. But anyhow, nice trucks around here. I'm going to Taco John's. They don't have those in Florida. I guess I could go to Casey's. No. Yeah, Taco John's it is.
What in the heck are you doing, man?
I'm filming all your beautiful trucks.
Just going around filming them all?
Yeah, you know, I just want to check things out.
GoProing.
So where are we exactly?
Albert Lea, Minnesota.
Albert Lea, Minnesota. And this is...
right at the crossroads of 30 and 90.
Wherever that is, that's where we are. Yeah, brother, my truck's in the shop.
You got a show or something?
What's that? I got a YouTube channel for the hot shot business.
For the hot shot business?
Yes, sir. I'm a hot shot trucker.
The hell's the hot? What's the hot shot?
You're gonna have to look it up. KDL Hot Shot RV. You don't know what hot shot trucking is?
Nah.
You hear this, everyone? This guy works at a Ram dealership.
I've only been here for 2 months.
Doesn't know what hot shotting is.
No clue.
It's a type of trucking that you can do in like a 3,500, 4,500. Drive all around the country, get paid.
Shut the fuck up. You get paid to drive around in this video, dude.
Language.
Excuse my language. My
You hear that? No, I try to clean up the channel. I used to be pretty bad, but anyhow.
Yeah, I got a real bad potty mouth. I'm afraid to have kids, because I'm like, that kid's gonna be one bad potty mouth little dude.
Yeah, brother, check it out. Hot shot trucking, you know, yeah, it's a pretty big community, so you do a 40-foot flatbed trailer, and yeah, man, go all over the country, make pretty good cash.
Right on.
What's your name?
Bodine.
Bodine, I'm Ken.
Ken, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, brother. All right, so you're a service guy or sales guy?
No, salesman. I've been out here for about 2 months now, selling cars and trucks and giving it a try. Dude, it's an easy ass job. I get to dress nice, look nice, and I get to talk all day. Well, I mean, what gets better than that?
Sounds like that's tough for you.
Hotline freight truck. I don't know, man.
Hot shot trucking. Dude, KDL.
KDL.
Hot shot.
Hot shot truck.
Anyhow, do your research and you learn about some stuff.
Yeah, I have
brother.
to check it out. Just walking around BSing.
What's that? Yeah.
Just walking around BSing.
Well, my truck's in the shop. I'm gonna go head over to Taco John's, get me some lunch. So.
Oh, right on. Yeah, your best bet's probably Taco John's if you want to go money wise. But fuck, Main Street right here, dude. You're not gonna. Their food. Yeah.
Right here?
Right here, dude. Main Street Family Grill. Their food is bomb. Like, you are not gonna regret it. It'll probably be about $20, but you won't regret it. The food flavor is out of this world.
You hear that? Main Street Family Restaurant at the Quality Inns and Suites.
Yeah,
in
Albert Lea, Minnesota.
Albert Lea, Minnesota. We're gonna check it out.
Nice to meet you guys.
Later.
Thank you. Hi, how are you?
Good. How are
Just
you?
you today?
Yes, sir.
Boot works?
Yeah, one over by the window if possible.
Sure, I can leave one. Give it in.
Okay, thank you. Looks like a nice place.
First thing or you?
For lunch. What is
Lunch.
popular for lunch?
The wraps are very popular. Yeah, we have the crispy chicken wrap and the chicken bacon wrap.
Okay.
And the filling. Filling goes as well.
Philly looks good. Grilled onions, pepper. Okay, I'll do the Philly sandwich
Filling sandwich with the fries.
with fries.
All right, good choice.
Thank you.
You want to hold the menu?
Yeah, I'll look at it.
Sure, of course.
Thanks, bud. Ooh, that wasn't a very good angle. Looks good. He wasn't kidding though. Hey, ain't cheap, but looks like a good spot. Quality stuff. Quality stuff. Quality stuff. I was talking with the straw in my mouth. Much better than Wendy's. Or Taco John's, I'd assume. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get an order to go. I had a burger from Wendy's last night. It was $14.50. So I can get spaghetti, $14.99, or chicken parm. And put it in the fridge when I get back there, and then use a microwave in the truck. So yeah. Today's working out, so cheers to a beautiful sandwich. Woo! And yeah, we'll be back on the road in the morning. Good stuff. So lunch was great. We did get chicken parm to go. And we got back here. Look at that. That is actually the caliper piston shattered. So I don't know when this happened, but I'm assuming it was the drive over. But yeah, so now we need a caliper on the driver's side. Excuse me. Yeah, caliper. So now it's gonna be pads, rotors, and caliper on the left-hand side. So we're gonna be here the rest of the day. There is one shining light. I'm gonna be reset by tomorrow morning. So hopefully we're gonna pick up something and go really far and make a lot of money, because it's gonna help pay for all of this. And the pretty lady back there, extremely nice. So thank goodness they got me in. Another day out on the road. Truck back. Jammed up this too quickly. Stuck in park, and look at this. This is why I inspect every single time. Caliper bolt's not even screwed on. Brand new caliper. Caliper boot, not all the way put back on. It's crazy. It's just crazy. Every time I go to a Dodge dealership, someone screws up my stuff. Well, we're leaving. The labor was $610. They knocked off like $350 off the labor, but
Turn left onto East Main frontage.
that's irrelevant, man. What kind of mechanic can't put together a brake caliper? Like, come on, man. I'm pretty relaxed and everything else, but that was just too much. I swear, every Dodge, the young kids don't know what they're doing. Not a single one of them. This truck's been in the shop, what, 7 times in the last year? And every time it leaves, it's not right. Man. The world is just, like I said, I've said before, I don't know how anything functions, man. Like, is it just me that this stuff happens to all the time? I'm irate right now. So, I'm gonna look at everything, make sure there's no oil leaks or everything. I crawled under there, looked the best I could. Like I said, 2 of the caliper boots weren't seated correctly, so dirt and grime gets inside, ruins the calipers. Like, how long does it take to do it right? How much longer does it take to actually do it right? The stupid kid mechanic, I said, did you torque everything down correctly? Surprised he didn't be like, what's a torque wrench? Man, I don't get it. I guess these kids come out of these schools and like everything else is like, oh, here's your participation trophy. You don't know anything, but don't worry about it, you know? Put people's lives in your hand. Who cares? She's crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I don't get it. So, that's my vent for now. I'm heading back to Love's. I think I'm justified in my vent right now, man. Alright, we'll see you later. Well, back at Love's. Alright, I'm gonna get this trailer hooked up and get comfortable and take a nap. I think. Stressed out. Well, the saga of the GoPro continues. I've unloaded. Yeah, it wouldn't work this morning. It wouldn't charge to the media mod again. The battery's completely dead. So, dispatch was not ready. Doesn't have me a load yet. Apparently there's something. It's a quick one. Waiting for the information. So I'm gonna get out and change that tire. For those of you who said, oh, why don't you just plug the tire? Guess what? That's not DOT approved. So I need to change my tire. That's what I'm gonna do. Unfortunately, battery is not good on this thing, so oh well. All right, guys, well, here we are. Where are we?
Clearwater at Tom's Auto.
Clearwater, Minnesota, and this nice young man, Sawyer, right here.
Yeah.
What's up, buddy? Say hello.
Hey. Hey.
So he is, he works at Tom's Auto Repair sometimes, helps out, and these guys have been nice enough to let me borrow some sockets since I have forgotten everything, all my big sockets to change the tire. But yeah, so Sawyer's helping me out. Tom's Auto Repair in Clearwater, Minnesota. Great people. So let's get this tire done. All right, Sawyer, it's going to.
What's that?
It's giving you a big camera moment, brother. Yeah, he's helping out. He's going to get that thing to 110 before I put it on the trailer here. So, what a nice turn of events. There is still good people out in the world, you know. Man, broken GoPro. Dispatch not having a load. Looks like you were getting a load. Now, sending me on my way. Says, hurry up and get there. I'm like, 2 days? Don't say. Battery dead. Forgot my sockets. One day I'm gonna have a smooth day, yo. Smooth week or something. One day. Snap on, this should do it. Well, my life just sucks 24/7.
That's a full charge. So I got a piece of pipe and then the breaker bar. Thing that's the same size.
That's a 3/4.
Oh, there we go.
Man, oh man. You are a lifesaver, sir. When? Battery powered. And we're done. All right, everyone. Let's give this young man Sawyer the props he deserves. Thank you, my brother. You did really good. Hey, reach out to me if you're interested to do more getting into the hot shot, okay?
Yeah, no, I'll leave a comment or something.
Awesome, brother. So everyone remember, Tom's Auto Repair. Do you know the phone number here?
No, I asked
You don't? Okay, Tom's Auto Repair, Clearwater, Minnesota. We're right off the highway.
24.
What's that?
Highway 24.
We're right off Highway 24 in Clearwater. So if you're ever in this area and you need some help with your car or truck, swing by and see these guys. So thanks again, brother.